Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming device and battery status. Open settings and note percentage and cycle count. Plug in the original charger and set charging targets. Don't jump to 100% right away. Once done, perform several shallow cycles between about 20 and 80% to condition the battery. This reduces stress. Make sure to avoid running heavy apps while charging the first few times, because heat accelerates wear, and you want a stable baseline moving forward. Now you shift into steady habits that actually preserve capacity. Reduce heat by keeping the device in shade and out of cars on hot days. Temperature matters more than you think. Once done, enable optimized charging or battery saver features so the system limits peak charge and slow charges overnight. Make sure to top up in short bursts, charging to about 80% daily, rather than long, full charges. These repeated small cycles are gentler and help the battery retain usable capacity longer. To finish, schedule a light maintenance routine and know what to do if things go wrong. Every 2 to 3 months, do one calibration. Charge to 100%, then let the battery drain to around 5% to reset estimations. If you notice sudden rapid drains, check background apps and update or remove offenders. That often fixes phantom usage. If the device gets excessively hot, the battery bulges or performance collapses, stop using it and get professional service. Safety first, because damaged cells can be hazardous.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.